Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing well and safe. I am dedicating this video to one of my beloved person and all of you about the Indian economy. To start about Indian economy, two eminent persons' name came to my mind. Yes, you guessed it right. They are two Bengali Nobel laureates, Amartya Sen and Abhijit Binayak Bandyopadhyay. They were, especially Abhijit Binayak Bandyopadhyay, got the Nobel Prize for his works related to eradicating poverty around the world in 2019. Current population of India is 139.2 crores, while China has 144.4 crores population and the US has 33.27 crore population. 70% of the people of India lives in rural area. India has ranked 63rd in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business rankings. New Zealand is first. Singapore takes second place. According to World Bank's 2019 May's survey report, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh remain the top three states with the highest employable talent. According to the India Skills Report 2021, Karnataka takes the fourth spot, followed by Andhra Pradesh. According to RBI, West Bengal is at 9th place in state-wise ease of doing business rank. Although the COVID-19 pandemic had hit hard the Indian economy like never before, as a whole, 2.66 lakh deaths have already happened due to COVID pandemic till date due to the COVID pandemic, and total cases of COVID are 24.37 crore according to Worldometer. Due to the coronavirus spread from the year 2020, India went into complete lockdown from 24th March 2020 as it was ordered by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and people's life was halted, supply chains broke, delivery system fall apart. Many people lost their jobs as shopping malls, cinemas, parks were completely shut down. Although there was lots of help from the government through sanitization process, but the severity of virus could not be stopped. The second wave came on February 10, 2021. Due to this, oxygen cylinders in the hospitals were lacking, vaccine scarcity happens, ambulance were needed. When these sort of situations are going on, we are very concerned about the second wave, which according to the virologists and scientists and doctors around the globe, and who will spread and will be flattened in the month of July. So in this regard, I should say that keep safe, do sanitize, wear your mask when you are out of your home, and make social distances, that is physical distances. Thank you.